Today I'm going to show you how to make a body butter at home. Shea butter has more nutritional value than any cosmetic butter. It feeds your skin with vitamins and antioxidants. It's deeply moisturizing, and because it does not clog pores, it's ideal for all skin types. Here's what you need to make your homemade body butter. 1 cup of raw shea butter, half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of almond oil, some fresh rosemary, and optional 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Here are our oils and butters in a Pyrex so they can all melt together. Now, rosemary is a great addition to a homemade body butter because it's easily accessible, it's fresh, it's really easy to take off the little leaves from the branch, and you just want to throw them in and let them infuse with the butters and oil. So now the butter has almost completely melted, and at this point you have a couple of options. You can either strain the rosemary out and continue making your homemade body butter like we're gonna show you, or you can turn the heat to low and let the rosemary kind of marinate in your shea butter for a couple of hours. That way the butter and the oils will absorb all the nutrients from your rosemary. Now we strain the rosemary. At this point you want this mix to become mostly solid so you can whip it into a whipped body butter. You can either put it in the fridge for an hour or 2, or you can try and speed up the process by putting it in a bath of ice. So this is the consistency you want right before whipping. It's not fully solid, otherwise it'll be a little bit too hard to whip. So I have whipped this for 4 to 5 minutes. When I started whipping, it was a little bit too liquid, so I put this bowl back in the ice bath and I whipped it while it was in the ice bath, but it took literally nothing. 4 minutes of whipping and it's just awesome. So I fill up a Ziploc bag. It's easier to put in the jars that way, and then I cut this little corner and then I squeeze it in. And here it is, an awesome homemade body butter. We fill different jars, different sizes. It is soft, it smells like rosemary, it's delicious. Besides being awesome for your skin, it will also help you soothe your muscles because rosemary has great properties that relax you. So I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.